So we're now going to create a second page with some more detailed information about the top few houses in this detailed table. So initially I'm just going to clone this page, rename it detail, initially I'm just going to set up a container in the links for the pages and check that's working before I start making any changes. Also, it's a bit easier to have that visual reference as to which page you're on, as well as the tabs, just to stop you making changes in the wrong places. So we're on the detail page now, so we're going to link back to the main page. I'm going to call these detail and overview. So that's just linking back to the main page, and then we'll put a text box in, tell us which page we're on. We're just going to do the same on the main page. Okay, and we'll just have a look at that. Obviously there's no real differences between the pages as yet. So here we have our overview page. You can click on the detail page. Now we're on our detail page. We can go back to our overview page and vice versa. Now that's in place, we can start making changes to our individual pages. It's worth noting that the widgets to start with are linked, so when you're making changes on one page it will make changes on another. This is very useful if you're trying to create pages that have some elements that are consistent and some that have changes. So if you then make an update to a widget, you're not having to go through each individual page and change those widgets unless they are unlinked and they're something that you want to keep as very separate on the pages. It's almost like you have a template of your base page that you can make adjustments to, and then you have the content, which are the bits you're actually changing. So just to show you that in action, if I'm on the detail page now, if I go into the map and change it on the detail page to auto zoom. If I then go to preview and change back to the overview page, you'll see the map stays the same. That's because the widget's linked and the change I made on one page has happened on the other. So if I go back into edit now, start by unlinking. Then if I select the widget on the main page, you can see that there's no link, so I don't have the option to unlink it. If I now change the map and turn off auto zoom and then preview, if I change to the detail page, the map set up with zoom, change back to overview, it's not. You can also see you have the option here to move widgets between pages or to add a newly created widget to a page. This is very useful if you're working on a number of pages and you want, sometimes you want to try widgets in other places. You're not having to design and adjust them each time. You can just swap them around.